There are many products available to choose gifts for 10-year-olds kids, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gifts for 10-year-olds kids from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Smiley Face Slippers. Perfect for sleepovers or just lying around the house, this is the ultimate self-care gift in that it'll put a smile on a tween's face. Amazon reviewers say they're ultra comfortable and that the bottoms hold up to repeated wear. Number 2. Global Grub Make Your Own Fortune Cookies Kit. Now they don't need to go out for Chinese food in order to sample the best part, the fortune cookies. This gives them everything you need to make 48 fortune cookies, including ingredients, sizing tools, and even an edible ink pen. It also comes with both pre-written fortunes and blank ones, so they can write their own. Number 3. Godzilla x Kong Heat Ray Breath. It's hard to get a sense of how truly big this guy is. He stands 14 inches tall and is nearly 2 feet long. When he's controlled via a remote control, he stomps, roars, and charges up his atomic breath, which comes out in the form of cool steam. The breath effect was a huge hit with Good Housekeeping Institute testers, who wouldn't stop setting him off. Ages 8+. Number 4. Pokémon Soda Pop Plush. Inspired by the retro style of Japanese artist Furby, these stuffed animals are a little more graphic, a little brighter, and have cooler colors than your regular Pokémon plush. I love Pokémon and Bulbasaur and how cute it was, one kid tester raved. But it's not just Bulbasaur, you can get more than 20 Pokémon plushes in this style, so they can collect their faves. Ages 0+. Number 5. The Sherlock Society. Kid testers were drawn into this new series about ordinary kids who start to investigate a real-life mystery in their home state in Florida. Most of the chapters end on a mini cliffhanger, so you don't want to stop reading, said our 10-year-old reviewer. Ages 8-12. Number 6. Klutz Paint and Peel Jelly Stickers Craft Kit. They can decorate almost any space with these cool stickers. They come out of the tube as a liquid, but dry with a jelly consistency. The kit comes with 4 jelly paints, plus other accessories to bring their designs to life. Number 7. Zombie Dice. For those who like their games with a bit of a darker side, this casual dice game has participants play as the zombies. The object is to roll the 3 dice and try to get and eat as many brains as possible. First player to 13 brains wins. Ages 10+. Number 8. Custom Name Neon Signs. It's all about their rooms these days, so they'll love this personalized gift that speaks to their personality. You can pick the color, font, and emoji that's added to it. Number 9. Pindaloo. Get them off their phone and practice their juggling aka hand-eye coordination skills with a Vindaloo. The goal is to try and get creative with all the ways they can work the ball into the tube. Ages 9+. Number 10. The Legend of Zelda Echoes of Wisdom Nintendo Switch game. Players have to come up with innovative ways of solving puzzles in this latest entry into the Zelda franchise. In it, Zelda can create echoes, or copies of objects and monsters, and she has to use them and combine them wisely in her adventures across the land. Rated ESRB 10+. Number 11. Create your own secret language book. If they're into making codes, breaking codes, and generally trying to keep secrets, this book will lead them through how to make codes, ciphers, and even, eventually, entirely new languages. It's written by David J. Peterson, a language consultant for things like Game of Thrones and Doctor Strange. Ages 10+. Number 12. Cat ear headphones. Whether they're doing work for school on their laptops, listening to music, or playing games, they can do it in style with these cat ear headphones. They light up with LEDs, and it has a microphone for gaming or video calls. Number 13. Sphero Mini. It's the size of a golf ball, but it can do so many things. Using drag-and-drop code or JavaScript, kids can program it to play games like weaving around or knocking down obstacles. Ages 8+. Number 14. HugglePod Hanging Chair. Indoors or outdoors, hang this up and they've got an instant cozy nook. It's made of weather-resistant nylon and comes with a comfy cushion. It also comes in 3 different colors, and when it's installed, it can support up to 175 pounds. There's also the HugglePod Lite, $27, which comes with an inflatable cushion instead of a plush one, holds up to 175 lbs. Number 15. Klutz Lego Gearbots. It's a little art, a little STEM, and a whole lot of Lego fun. This set gives kids the pieces to make 8 different kinetic sculptures, made from both build on bricks and papercraft. Along the way, they'll learn about engineering concepts like axles, cranks, pistons, and simple machines. They can make an octopus that DJs, a menacing yeti, a pterodactyl, and more. Ages 8+. Number 16. Lorcana Gateway Games. Disney fans met the introduction of the Lorcana trading card game with great excitement. But these kinds of games always have complicated rules and take a minute to figure out how to play. This set helps new players understand the nuances of the game. Players start using only a portion of the deck, and as they master the skills, they unlock more of the deck with different kinds of cards. It's a step-by-step introduction to the gameplay. Good Housekeeping Institute testers loved the art of the cards too. Ages 8+. Number 17. Lego Creator 3-in-1 Forest Animals. Your 10-year-old can choose to make any one of 3 animals with this Lego set: a red fox, an owl, or a squirrel. Once he's played with one animal for a bit, he can take it apart and make another. They're all beautiful. Ages 9+. Number 18. Snap Circuits Junior SC100 Electronics Exploration Kit. They can experiment with electricity, circuitry, and other STEM topics in this kit, which has pieces that just snap together, no soldering necessary. It comes with enough pieces to make 100 projects, including a musical doorbell, a voice-controlled lamp, and an adjustable volume alarm, though the UFO was the Good Housekeeping Institute testers' clear favorite. Ages 8+. Number 19. Furby Galaxy Edition. It's back. Good Housekeeping Institute testers loved the brighter colors and newer updates to the Furby, which now has more than 600 phrases and reactions. It even dances better. Plus, this one can interact with the smaller Furblets. $10. Ages 6+. Number 20. Light Up Beanbag Toss Game. Don't want to stop playing cornhole after the sun goes down? Now you don't have to. In fact, it can be more fun in the dark. In this set, the beanbags and the targets are illuminated, so they'll even look cool as they fly through the air. Number 21. Kanoodle Head-to-Head. The basic Kanoodle game, which is a TikTok sensation, is great for solo players, but if you want to up the competition and make players' hearts race, go for the head-to-head version. In it, players sit across from each other and get ready to battle. A challenge card gives them a way to arrange the Kanoodle pieces, and players have to race to see who can complete the pattern first. It'll get their brains working, and fast. Ages 7+. Number 22. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. From better brunches to bases for ice cream sundaes, they'll be able to whip up all sorts of tasty creations with this individual waffle maker. The cooking surface is about 4 inches across, and it's non-stick, which makes it easy to clean. No age recommendation given. Number 23. Slackers NinjaLine 36 Intro Kit. Now they can live out their American Ninja Warrior dreams by climbing, swinging, and jumping around the yard. This comes with 36 feet of slackline, and you can clip 7 hanging obstacles to it, including monkey bars, fist knots, and traverse rings, in any order you want. The line can hold 250 pounds, and you can also buy more obstacles if you want to expand. Ages 5+. Number 24. Water Bottle Carrier Bag. If they're obsessed with their Stanley or similar, now it'll never have to leave their side. This turns their water bottle into an all-in-one carrier, since it has a pouch that can hold a phone and also has slots for cards. It also comes in lots of color options. No age recommendation given. Number 25. Capture the Flag Redux. The old backyard game gets a 21st century spin with armbands and game pieces that light up in the dark. It'll keep them outside for longer as they strategize with teammates who have the same colored bracelets as them. and try to steal the other team's treasure, a glowing orb. Ages 8+. Number 26. Perplexus Beast 3D Gravity Maze. This goes way beyond those dinky marble mazes that used to come in goodie bags. This maze has 360 degrees of play and 100 difficult obstacles to go through. Players have to traverse challenging tightropes and spirals to make it to the end. Ages 6+. Number 27. Rain-Boba T-Play Pillow Set. Kids can actually remove the 5 different colored boba plush and play with them or display them separately. But when they're all zipped inside the smiling plush cup, the whole thing can be used as a pillow. It's perfect for tweens who want to max out the cuteness of their rooms. Number 28. Happy Atoms Magnetic Molecular Modeling. Introductory Set. Your 10-year-old can use this science kit to learn the basics of chemistry, like what bonding is and the difference between 50% of the atoms. It combines digital and physical play when they use the free app. Together, the app and modeling pieces allow kids to build molecules in real life and then learn all about them on their tablet. Ages 10+. Number 29. Exit The Lord of the Rings Shadows over Middle-earth. If the 10-year-old in your life loves escape rooms and the works of J.R.R. Tolkien, this is the game for them. They can gather 1 to 3 friends and try to decipher Gandalf's clues so they can reach Mount Doom in time. It's a quest that'll take all of their logic and critical thinking skills. If they're not into Lord of the Rings, Thames and Cosmos offers other at-home escape games for 10-year-olds, like the Haunted Roller Coaster or the Sunken Treasure. Ages 10+. Number 30. LetsGlow Studio. Part DIY craft, part video enhancer, this set will have them boosting their creativity. Kids can make accessories out of the reflective tape, thread, stickers, and more, and then use a clip-on LED to have them glow in bright colors with cool lighting effects. It'll revolutionize their selfies and TikTok-style videos. Ages 8+. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.